Hello, it's Mr. O'Mara here, and I want to give you a very quick lesson on adding and subtracting integers. So, there's some simple rules here, and I want to give you the simple rules up front. If you've got two signs that are the same, then you are going in this direction. Minus, minus, plus, plus. If your signs are mixed, then you are going in this direction on your number line. You will get to the point where you don't need a number line, and some of you will be there already. But I'm going to use a number line because I find it quite useful, and it's certainly something you shouldn't be ashamed to fall back to. Okay, so here we are. Let's look at this first problem over here. So we've got 3, which is positive 3, plus 2. Now this is easy. 1, 2, and so our answer is 5. Not very complicated, but there we are using the number line. So I'll just change colour here because we're starting on 3 again. But we've got mixed signs, plus, negative. Now remember, if they're mixed, then we go that way. If they're the same, we go this way, so they're mixed. So instead of going that way, we're going to go 1, 2, and our answer is plus 1, or just 1, because unless you say negative, it's a plus. So that's those first ones. Mixed means we go that way. Positive means we go that away. Let's look at something a little bit harder. Okay, minus 3, so I'm going to mark that on my graph. I'm at minus 3. And I've got positives, so I'm going in that direction. So I'm going in that direction and I'm going 4 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. So my answer is 1, or plus 1, but the plus is invisible. Let's have another look at this one. So this in fact is plus 3 minus plus 2. So in fact we have got mixed things there. So let's change this colour again. Plus 3 minus plus 2 means we're going in that direction. 1, 2, and that gives us an answer of plus 1. So, which we know, 3 minus 2 is 1, but that's how we do it, because it's mixed signals. So 3 minus positive 2. So our mixed signs mean we go in that direction. Let's look at one last problem, which is a little bit hard. Now, this is one where we've actually got a few steps, but all we do is we take it step by step. So let's look at this first one. So, 2, so we start here on 2, and minus minus, which means we're going in this direction, 3, because those two minuses together. So 1, 2, 3. So that's our next stop. And then we've got plus plus, which also puts us going in this direction. So 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and our answer is 9. So let's have a look at the next one. 2, so we're starting on 2 again. This time we've got plus and minus, which means we're going in this direction when we've got mixed signs. So 2 plus minus 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and our first stop is on minus 2. Plus 5. So plus 5 over here means we're changing direction and we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and our answer is 3. I know that's a little bit scrappy. There you go. So chunk it together. Do this bit first, looking at those two signs, and then find your resting point, and then do that, which is plus plus, which pushes it in that direction. So have a look at this. Do a couple of your own. See how complicated you can make it and still keep track of it, and we'll talk about it some more in class.